Welcome back. Today I'm making a modern address sign. For this project I'm using 1x2 poplar and a piece of rough cut cedar. I'm planning the rough cut cedar down to 3/4 inch thick. Using a straight cut jig, I'm going to get one straight edge on the piece of cedar, then I'll flip it over and rip to the final width. With the 1x2 poplar, I'll cut each side to 45 degrees to make mitered corners for the outside trim. Next, I sanded all the pieces with 120 grit and 220 grit sandpaper. I used Rustolem flat black spray paint to paint the outside trim. I use CEC Corp wood glue and brad nails to attach the outside trim. Next, as a sealer, I used Rustolem satin clear enamel and did 2 coats. To hang the sign, I use keyhole slots. I use this simple jig to make 2 keyhole slots in the back of the sign. I picked up these numbers from a local Ace hardware store. I spaced out the numbers and marked where the screw holes would be, then I pre-drilled the holes. I used nylon spacers behind the numbers to make them stand out. Finally, I used a piece of tape to reference where the screw holes would be and attach the sign to the outside of the house. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe.